What's up everyone? Happy you're back for this one. In this replay, 54 divided by 54 which equals 1 and 54 divided by 54 equals 1. Now we have this problem 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 54 divided by 54 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 54 divided by 54, and we can write this part as 1 over 54 divided by 54. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 54 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 54 which equals 1 over 2916, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for updates.